Good morning, everybody on YouTube land. I'm going to show you today how I made some good food with my Instapot using my Jackery as the power source. Here's my Jackery. Here's my Instapot. So I plugged it in here. I push this one. Instapot goes on. I peeled and chopped 2 potatoes. Put it inside here and just barely covered it with water. The Jackery was almost fully charged, and when I was finished cooking the potatoes for 5 minutes, I'm down to 55. So it took about half the energy charged of a full charged Jackery to cook 2 potatoes. I mashed up the potatoes, added butter and salt, and put it in small portions in the freezer so I can eat it this week when I go to work. 2 potatoes fully cooked in 5 minutes in my Instapot. Yes, that was good. Only thing I did wrong was I think I put a little too much water. I think maybe I wouldn't have had to cover them with water, but maybe just halfway up the amount of vegetables that were in there. So, mashed potatoes in the Instapot. Yum! What do you think, Precious? What do you think? You want a bath? Are you going to have a bath today? Do you like mashed potatoes in the Instapot? About you, buddy? Are you going to take a bath today? You're sleeping. Hi, Kiki. Kiki's got a little mohawk going on top of her head here. Let's see that. Let's see that mohawk. Look over here. Are you going to take a bath today? Are you going to get all clean so you can go out and roll in the dirt and get all dirty again? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. So sweet. I remember when I told my mom I was going to get a little white dog, she said, well, most of the time it'll be a little gray dog. And boy, was she right. So we'll see you next time, everybody. Adios. Mwah. Be sure and subscribe. Give a thumbs up. Check out my YouTube channel, Shelly Seguino Vacations. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Show you how absolutely adorable these puppy dogs are when I feed them. A heaping scoop for Buddy and Kiki, and a little bit less for Precious. She's a littler girl. Sit! Good job. Wait. Okay. Aren't they good dogs? Hey, everybody. Sit. Good job. Wait. Wait. Okay. Good doggies. Aren't they good doggies?